You can see the status of COVID-19 uh, updated on 22nd of June 2020. This curve shows upward trend. That means COVID is going to be with us for some time. Means we have to live with COVID-19 around. So when when we say COVID-19 around, we have to make sure that the damage because of this COVID-19 is the lowest minimum, and it will not affect our routine life beyond an extent. So we have to make sure certain uh, changes has to be implemented in our day-to-day life. We have to change our life routine. We may have to change ourselves to accommodate COVID-19 with us. So, in what way we can do that? So, because of this lockdown, social distancing, work from home, and many factories are not running in full. And as you know, working from home means it is not a productive thing. That means factories has to run for production. Agriculture has to be there for agriculture. You mean in real production? That means it won't work out from. It will not happen from working from home. Working from home is a support function only. For example, sales, marketing, accounting, such kind of things we can do work from home. But the real manufacturing that will happen only in the factories or in the uh, agricultural land. So, what we have to do, in order to cope up with COVID 19, we have to cut down our expenses. Means we have to avoid unwanted expenses. Only essential things we have to buy. We have to generate new income sources. We may have to go for agriculture if the land is available. We have to improve our immunity so that our resistance to the disease will be higher. We have to stay away from stress because being stressed, it will affect our entire um, defense system against COVID 19. So we have to reduce watching TV news. We have to watch maybe once in a day. We have to avoid unwanted news circulating through WhatsApp and all. We have to depend on government, that is Ministry of Health, state government, such kind of information, and we have to follow government guidelines. So how to cut expenses? If we are already living in a flat, there must be some kind of society already existing. Such society can extend their activities for the benefit of members so that you can buy the materials like rice, etc., which in bulk and can be shared between the members so that expenses can be cut down up to 10 to 20 percentage. Buy from places where there is discount available at present scenario because of the higher operating cost. Discounted pricing may not be available. Go for our own cultivation so that we can eat without pesticide vegetable, and our cost of vegetable also will come down. Another good option is buy once in a month rather than buying every week or every third day. Like the old system 10-15 years before, we usually do so. Whatever the things required for a home is buying bulk in once in every month, so that you are getting higher benefit. So this kind of things can be practiced to reduce our expenses. Now, what I am trying to, I am going to give you a product or a system by which we can get discount, we will get good product, and we are also get benefited out of it. I am going to introduce a system by which all these things will be, all the things I explained already will in one combo, where you are getting everything together. That means when we are buying a material of 100 rupees, think about a plan by which you are getting back 60 rupees along with the product. So that is Modi Care. They are already in our country in India for the last 87 years, and they are into direct selling for the last 25 years. They are selling 500 plus product, proven and trustworthy company, and the big advantage is that they give you 100% satisfaction guarantee. If the quality of the product is inferior, and we can go for claim for refund within 30 days. So this is one of the highest, biggest direct selling company in India, by which during this COVID-19 period, we can buy our household items, and same time we are getting back more than 60% of the price of the material. Can you imagine? So this company give you an opportunity to combat COVID-19 with a product, household items, along with a business opportunity. So the business part, if you whether involved in the business part or not involved in the business part, 60% return, that is guaranteed. I will explain you how you are getting this one. This is the this sticker, this statement by the Modi Care owner, Mr. Hamid Modi. You can see with every product the quality return policy. Now, how we are getting back this above 60%? Here in this chart, I am explaining, I am showing we are buying 3,000 worth of material continuously for 12 months. Okay, so in a year we are spending 36,000 for the material. So when we are buying the material, on the spot you are getting 15 to 20% discount on the MRP. So that benefit itself comes around the 20% of 3,000, that is around 600 rupees. 600 into 12, you are getting the benefit of 7,200 rupees. Again, when you are buying 3,000 worth of material, or when you are buying more than the value of the material is more than 1,000 rupees, they are giving 10% value as free product for you. So when we are buying 3,000, that will be around 300, and into 12, that is 3,600. So that is another return for us. Another option, when we are buying continuously for 12 months, 7th month we will get 3,000 rupees value of product free, and at the 13th month also you will get the same. So that benefit is around 6,000 rupees. At the end of again when we are buying continuously for 12 months, the 13th month you are getting another 3,000. So that is here. Now, for the purpose of giving us the benefit, or for the calculating the benefit part, they are considering 2 rupees as one business volume. That means when we are buying 3,000 rupees value of product, the business volume what we are getting is 1,500. So once you are engaged with this company, you will be designated as consultant. So the consultant is eligible for 7%. So that benefit, when you are buying as a consultant, you will get 7% discount. You can see here, up to 5th month you are getting 100 105 rupees. And when you are adding your accumulated business volume, you are crossing 7,500, you are reaching a higher value. When the higher value means, when you are reaching the higher value, the percentage also change from 7 to 10 percentage. So 6th month onwards, you are getting 150 rupees, that is 10 percentage of the business volume. So that is around 1,050 from the 7 months. So altogether, when adding all these returns, starting from 20 percentage MRP discount and up to this 1050, you are getting the total benefit return of 21,375. That means from the 36,000 as a retailer, without doing anything, you are just keep on buying for continuous 12 months, your return is 21,375. So this is just a portion of the iceberg. That means this savings is only the 25 percentage. Like when the ice is in the water, you will see only a little portion. There is huge benefits still there. That is available in the form of director. So in order to achieve the director status, you keep on buying. That is one way. But being you keep on buying without telling your friends, you have limitation. You may reach up to director, but beyond that, if you want to be a successful in this marketing, Modicare marketing, you have to, yes, you no need to exaggerate anything. You just share your experience with your friends and your extended friends, so that they will also keep on buying through you. So you will be getting the remaining portion of the iceberg. So in the initial, you will be a consultant. Then we are reaching the senior consultant, that is 10 percentage. Associate, supervisor, deputy supervisor, supervisor, director. Director means 22 percentage. Beyond the director, you will have, once you have more directors beyond you, you will getting, being a director, you will be getting 14 percentage discount director bonus. Then depend upon your more people associated with your team, you will be getting travel fund, car fund, house fund, director leadership, productivity bonus, etc. So all these things will be explained in a different presentation, but this is to just create a spark in you, that there is a business opportunity in India available to cope up with COVID-19. That means during the COVID-19, in order to tackle with COVID-19, we have to get our household items at lower price. There must be an income opportunity and many things this company is marketing. These are all the things related with to agriculture. If you want in agriculture, you can buy this product. Similarly, for the household items, I made a sheet, a tabular sheet with the prices of different items. You can see coffee, tea, turmeric powder, shampoo, washing powder, etc. This also you can buy. So everything is required for your home. So when you are associating with Modicare, you are not giving any membership free. Only thing you are providing your KYC in the form of your ID and bank details, so that the commission can be transferred to your bank. So you just buying the things and you are keeping benefited out of it. There are ghee available, tea, coffee, and many other household items are available. You can, if you are in wellness, there are so many wellness products. During this COVID-19 period, to keep our immunity defense, we may go for our routine normal things like lemon, orange, and amla, etc. But if you want more nutritious things, that is also available here. So let us work together to for a better future for us and for the society. You can contact with me, with details are shown here. This is my email address and WhatsApp number. My website details also here. So if required, elaborated business plan shall be developed and presented to you. Okay, let us have a bright future ahead. Thanks.